Does Tranquility Base still exist? Have you ever wondered about the place where humans first set foot on the moon? Tranquility Base is that historic site, and it holds a special place in our hearts. So, does Tranquility Base still exist? Let's find out together. Tranquility Base is located on the moon and was the landing site for Apollo 11's Lunar Module, known as the Eagle. This monumental event took place on July 20, 1969. It was here that Neil Armstrong took his famous first steps on another celestial body, marking a key moment in the history of space exploration and the 1960s. In terms of its physical existence, Tranquility Base is still very much there on the lunar surface. The descent stage of the Lunar Module remains at the original landing site. This stage essentially acted as a launch pad for the astronauts' return to lunar orbit. Alongside it, there are approximately 100 artificial objects left behind. These include scientific instruments like a laser reflector, which is used for precise distance measurements between the Earth and the Moon. There is also a solar-powered seismometer that briefly operated to detect moonquakes. Various pieces of equipment that were no longer needed for the return trip were left behind to reduce weight for liftoff. For example, astronaut Buzz Aldrin's boots were among the items left at Tranquility Base. The footprints left by Armstrong and Aldrin are still visible on the moon's powdery surface. The moon lacks an atmosphere and weather conditions that would typically erode such marks. However, the United States flag that was planted at Tranquility Base was knocked over by the rocket exhaust during the Eagle's ascent but remains on the surface. From a cultural and historical standpoint, Tranquility Base is incredibly significant. It is recognized on heritage registers by some United States, reflecting its importance in American history. However, it has not been designated as a National Historic Landmark or a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is due to legal and treaty restrictions that prevent any nation from claiming ownership over extraterrestrial sites. Looking back at the 1960s, Tranquility Base symbolizes the spirit of exploration and technological achievement of that era. The phrase, "Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed," broadcast during the landing, remains an iconic moment. It captured the imagination of millions worldwide and embodies the optimism of that decade. In summary, Tranquility Base physically remains on the moon with remnants of the Apollo 11 mission intact. Its legacy continues to inspire and represents a defining achievement of the 1960s space race and human curiosity.